If your Photoshop toolbar, options bar, or other panels are missing, don't worry, because you can easily bring them back using the Window menu. First, open Photoshop and look at the menu at the top of the screen. Then click Window to see a list of available tools and panels. If the toolbar on the left side of the screen is missing, click Window, Tools, and the toolbar should appear again. If the options bar at the top of Photoshop is missing, click Window, Options to turn it back on. This bar changes depending on the tool you select and shows additional settings for that tool. If a specific panel, such as layers, properties, color, adjustments, history, or swatches is missing, click Window and select the panel you want to restore from the list. You can also press Tab on your keyboard because Photoshop may hide the toolbar and panels when Tab is pressed, so pressing it again can bring them back. If you are still missing multiple panels or your entire Photoshop layout looks different, click Window, Workspace, Essentials Default. Then go back to Window, Workspace, and select Reset Essentials to restore the default workspace layout. After resetting the workspace, your toolbar, options bar, and most default panels should return to their original positions.